In this video, I'm going to be walking you through how to create a variable manually. Now, variables are basically the column titles within your CSV file. So in other words, the title of your list, right? The title of your list. And so some of you may have like various list data types, and you want to be able to group all of these data types together through a variable, and then use that variable within your campaign message, right? And that will help you to further personalize your messages. So the first thing that you want to do is go into settings, then go under variables, and that will allow you to add a variable. Like for example, I'm going to add a variable called business name. This is the variable name, so I can identify what the variable actually is. But the value of the variable is the value that gets inputted into your campaign itself so that the platform knows this is the business name. And then you can map that data to the variable value itself within your CSV file or even manually as well. So let's go to save. And that you can see here, that saves the variable here. Now there's two options. You can either go ahead and continue to use this variable. You can delete this variable if you're not using this variable anymore. You can even modify this variable here by clicking this edit icon, right? So I'm just going to go ahead and discard these changes for now. So let me go into one of my campaigns so you see what these variables actually mean. So let's go to Houston, Texas, HVAC companies. I'm going to go into edit my campaign. Let me just go to my campaign messages. Within my campaign messages, I want to be able to say, I'm going to put a message, and then I want to mention the business name of the company within my message. So what I'm able to do here is insert my variable by selecting the business name here that I inputted for my variable. Is going to create this variable value. And then whenever you send a message out, it's going to send a message out uniquely for each of the business names that is in your list. You can go ahead here now and save this. You can continue, you can save this, and then that's it. And let me go back to my list so you can see the example here for a moment. Let me go to messages, and you can see my variable have been saved for business name. And you can keep mapping these, matching the business names to this variable so that you can actually have a personalized message with the business name within your campaigns. So, well, thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video, and looking forward to seeing you in other tutorials. Thank you.